Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you can't find your 2024 YouTube recap. So it's actually here in the compass button, and you can either select gaming or music. So under gaming, you'll see your gaming recap, but if you can't find that option here, just go to your profile, and as you can see, it will say your gaming recap is here. So you're just going to select it and it's going to redirect you to that page. Now, I've seen a lot of people say their gaming recap is there, but their music recap isn't, or the other way around. And that is because you haven't watched enough of the gaming videos or music videos. I guess you don't have to have the YouTube Premium to get it. But on my other YouTube, I guess I have a lot. I watch a lot of karaoke's and stuff. That's why it's in my music recap. But on this account, I don't have any because I didn't really use it for that. I just used it for gaming, and as you can see, it's here. So just get your recap, and it's going to play this. It's here, your year in gaming. Let's play it back. 40% of your watch time is gaming. You watched videos about 4 different games this year. My top game was Valorant. So much happened this year. I watched ADG's Triumph. This was China's first international trophy in Valorant Champions. I watched gaming videos from other creators. The games you watch can say a lot about who you are. It shows me my gamer card is on target. And it shows the summary of it. You can just skip through it and select it from the gaming moments and stuff. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Just make sure you've watched a lot of gaming creators or music, karaoke and stuff like that. I do a lot of karaoke, so that's why it was on my music recap. But if you do have the YouTube music, it will actually just be there, and it will be actually just the songs that you listen to. So yeah, if you want to start on your YouTube recaps, just start watching videos from now, and hopefully next year it's gonna show up more for you. Again, I can't guarantee it, and again, I don't know where it is on PC yet. This is just on the YouTube app. So hopefully they will soon get it out. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.